Today we are going to see how to use Google Ad. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type ads.google.com. Here, you have to log into your account. Here, you have to click Start Now or Start a New Campaign. After that, Google will ask you what is your main advertising goal. You have 4 options there: get more calls, get more website sale and sign up, get more visit on physical location, get more brand awareness with video view. Here I am clicking on get more calls. Then after clicking on next, then you have to set up your campaign quickly by linking account. You can click on yes if you have business profile, otherwise no. Then click on next. Then you have to give your business name. I am giving my business name to project. Then click on next. After that, you have to give your website. For video purpose, I am giving the website name. Clicking on next. After you give your website details, people will click the link and directly go to your website. Here is from mobile view and here is from desktop view. And click on next. Here you have to give your headline. For video purpose, I am giving demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. You can use yours. And you have to give your number. Then you have to click on next. Here you have to add keyword. You have to select what type of business do you have, like YouTube educational channel, YouTube travel channel. After that, click on next. Then you have to give your advertising area. After giving your advertising area, click on next. Then you have to select a budget option or enter your budget. After selecting the budget option, you have to click on next. After reviewing this, you have to click on next. Here you have to add your payment method and click on next. Then your ad will shown to everyone. So that is all about Google Ads. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.